These trucks are so huge, they redefine what massive really means. The 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed will blow your mind. From unstoppable mining monsters to legendary engineering marvels, they carried unimaginable loads. Watch closely, some of these giants are bigger than buildings. Number 10. Euclid R260. The Euclid R260 is a legendary heavy-duty dump truck from the mid-20th century, representing a cornerstone in the evolution of mining trucks. Introduced in the 1950s by the Euclid Corporation, it was specifically designed for open-pit mining, construction, and large-scale earth-moving projects. Measuring approximately 32 feet long, 12 feet wide, and 12 feet tall, the R260 could carry an impressive 32 tons of material, which may seem modest today, but was a remarkable achievement at the time. Its robust design, reliability, and performance quickly earned it a reputation as a durable and dependable workhorse. Miners and operators affectionately called it the Iron Mule, due to its ability to handle harsh conditions without faltering. Many R260 trucks remained in service for decades, showcasing the enduring quality of Euclid's engineering. Its innovative design influenced future generations of haul trucks, helping set standards for payload, power, and durability. Under the hood, the Euclid R260 was powered by a Cummins HBI 555 diesel engine, generating approximately 180 horsepower, paired with a mechanical drive system that efficiently transmitted power to its massive rear wheels. The truck's reinforced frame and durable suspension allowed it to traverse rough terrain while carrying heavy loads, maintaining stability and control at all times. Its tires stood nearly 6 feet tall, providing traction and resilience over uneven mining surfaces. Even fully loaded, the R260 could maintain speeds of 12 to 15 miles per hour, impressive for its size and era. The cab was designed for operator safety and visibility, while the engine and drivetrain required minimal maintenance, a key factor in the truck's longevity. Its simplicity and ruggedness made it a favorite among mining companies of the time. Only a limited number of Euclid R260 trucks were produced, but their impact on the mining and construction industries was substantial. They worked tirelessly in mines across the United States and Canada, often exceeding their expected operational lifespan thanks to careful design and solid engineering. Today, preserved models of the R260 can be found in museums or held by private collectors, celebrated as symbols of mid-century heavy machinery innovation. The Euclid R260 set the stage for future advancements in haul truck design, ensuring its legacy as a dependable, pioneering machine. It rightfully earns its place as number 10 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Even decades later, enthusiasts admire its combination of durability, simplicity, and engineering foresight, reminding the world why Euclid was a leader in heavy-duty haul trucks. Number 9. Caterpillar 769. The Caterpillar 769 is one of the most iconic mid-century dump trucks, representing the reliability and engineering excellence that made Caterpillar a household name in heavy machinery. Introduced in the 1960s, the 769 was specifically designed for open-pit mining and large-scale earth-moving projects. Measuring roughly 34 feet long, 13 feet wide, and 14 feet tall, it could carry an impressive 75 tons of material, making it a formidable presence on any mining site. Its durable construction, practical design, and consistent performance quickly earned it the nickname the Dependable Giant among operators. Many 769s remained in service for decades, a testament to the quality and foresight of Caterpillar's engineering. It became a benchmark for other manufacturers looking to create durable, high-capacity mining trucks during that era. Under the hood, the Caterpillar 769 was powered by a Caterpillar D343 V12 diesel engine, producing approximately 500 horsepower, paired with a mechanical drive system that transmitted power efficiently to the rear wheels. The truck's reinforced suspension and robust frame allowed it to carry heavy loads across rough and uneven terrain with stability and reliability. Its tires stood nearly 9 feet tall, providing excellent traction and durability on challenging mining roads. Even fully loaded, the 769 could maintain speeds of 20 miles per hour, allowing operators to move massive amounts of material efficiently. Advanced cooling and hydraulic systems ensured that the truck could work continuously during long shifts in extreme conditions, and the operator's cab offered practical visibility and comfort for its time. Its simple yet effective design made it easy to maintain, even in remote mining locations. Only a limited number of Caterpillar 769 trucks were built, but their impact on mining operations was immense. They worked extensively in mines across North America and Australia, often surpassing their expected operational lifespan due to their durability. Today, preserved examples of the 769 can be found in industrial museums or held by private collectors, celebrated as symbols of mid-20th century mining innovation. The Caterpillar 769 set the standard for reliability, efficiency, and long-term durability in heavy-duty haul trucks, earning its well-deserved spot as number 9 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Even decades later, it continues to inspire enthusiasts and engineers with its perfect blend of power, simplicity, and resilience. Number 8. Komatsu 930E. The Komatsu 930E series represents a modern benchmark in the realm of ultra-class mining haul trucks, having been a dominant force in large-scale resource extraction since its introduction in the early 1990s. This machine was specifically designed to handle the immense throughput demands of the world's largest coal, copper, and iron ore mines. While it may not be the largest truck ever built, its long-running reliability and massive 320-ton payload capacity make it one of the most commercially successful high-capacity haulers in history. The 930E stands approximately 42 feet long, 24 feet wide, and over 22 feet tall, a truly immense scale that dwarfs regular construction equipment. Its presence on a mine site signifies a commitment to high-volume, continuous operation, earning it a reputation as a highly efficient and indispensable workhorse globally. The Komatsu 930E is powered by an enormous high-horsepower diesel engine, such as a Komatsu SDA-16 V160, capable of delivering well over 3,500 horsepower. Crucially, the truck uses an AC electric drive system, a technological advancement over older DC systems. In this setup, the diesel engine turns an alternator to generate alternating current, which is then precisely controlled to power massive electric motors mounted in the rear wheels. This electric drive system provides superior control, maximum torque from a dead stop, and highly efficient regenerative braking on downhill slopes, which saves on wear and tear. The 930E's sophisticated suspension system uses large hydraulic cylinders and accumulator tanks at each wheel to effectively absorb the shocks and stresses of carrying hundreds of tons over rough terrain, ensuring operator comfort and component longevity. The design incorporates advanced monitoring and diagnostic systems, allowing mining crews to keep this giant operating reliably day and night. The Komatsu 930E is celebrated not just for its physical size, but for its role in standardizing the 320-ton capacity class across the mining industry. Its introduction marked a significant step in the cost-per-ton efficiency curve, pushing the envelope for what was considered a practical maximum payload for a widely deployed truck. Its blend of high power, advanced AC electric technology, and robust frame design has made it a favorite among mine operators worldwide. Furthermore, its continuous technological updates have kept it competitive against newer models. Showcasing the enduring quality of its original engineering, the 930E remains a symbol of modern mining efficiency and brute strength, cementing its place on our definitive list of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Number 7. LeTourneau Westinghouse Haulpak 85C. The LeTourneau Westinghouse Haulpak 85C is a legendary dump truck from the golden era of heavy machinery, representing American innovation at its finest. Introduced in the 1970s, it was a collaboration between LeTourneau Inc. and Westinghouse, aimed at creating one of the largest and most durable trucks for open-pit mining operations. Measuring roughly 42 feet long, 18 feet wide, and 18 feet tall, it could carry a massive 300 tons of material, making it a true giant on the mining floor. Miners often called it the Titan hauler because of its size, reliability, and unmatched power. Its bold, angular design made it instantly recognizable and a symbol of American engineering ambition during an era of extreme industrial growth. Many of these trucks operated for decades, proving their resilience and robustness in the harshest mining conditions. Even today, its sheer presence on a mine site commands respect from anyone who sees it in action. Under the hood, the Haulpak 85C featured a Westinghouse diesel-electric drive system, powered by a V16 diesel engine producing around 2,200 horsepower. Instead of a conventional mechanical transmission, the diesel engine powered generators that supplied energy to electric traction motors on the rear wheels, providing smooth and controllable torque for hauling massive loads. The truck's tires were enormous, standing nearly 12 feet tall, and the reinforced suspension allowed it to traverse rough, uneven terrain without structural failure. Even fully loaded, it could reach speeds of 28 miles per hour, remarkable for a truck of its era and class. Its design also incorporated advanced cooling systems and hydraulics to ensure continuous operation during long shifts in extreme climates. Operators often remarked on how the diesel-electric system made controlling such a massive vehicle feel surprisingly precise. Only a limited number of LeTourneau Westinghouse Haulpak 85C trucks were ever built, making them rare and highly collectible today. They worked primarily in North American mines, hauling coal, copper, and iron ore with incredible reliability. Today, a few surviving units are preserved in mining museums or by private collectors, standing as monuments to an era when engineers pushed the limits of what a truck could achieve. The Haulpak 85C set new benchmarks for size, strength, and diesel-electric innovation, earning its rightful place as number 7 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Even decades later, it continues to inspire engineers and enthusiasts alike with its combination of raw power, durability, and technological foresight. Its legacy also reminds the world that innovation often comes from bold collaborations between visionary companies. Number 6. Bucyrus-Erie 50-ton hauler. The Bucyrus-Erie 50-ton hauler is a true classic in the history of heavy-duty mining trucks, representing the pinnacle of mid-20th century industrial engineering. Built in the 1950s by the legendary Bucyrus-Erie Company in the United States, it was designed to meet the growing demands of large-scale mining operations, particularly in coal and iron ore extraction. Measuring roughly 30 feet long, 12 feet wide, and 12 feet tall, this dump truck was a formidable presence on any mine site. With an empty weight of around 35 tons and a payload capacity of 50 tons, it combined maneuverability with exceptional strength. Miners quickly came to respect its durability and reliability, nicknaming it the Iron Beast due to its steadfast performance in some of the harshest mining conditions imaginable. Its design also influenced many later models, laying the groundwork for the ultra-class haulers of the 1970s and beyond. Under its massive hood, the Bucyrus-Erie 50-ton hauler featured a Cummins L12 diesel engine, producing approximately 350 horsepower, paired with a mechanical drive system to power its heavy rear wheels. The truck's suspension and reinforced chassis were engineered to handle the punishing weight of full payloads while traversing rough terrain, including steep grades and uneven mining roads. Its tires were nearly 8 feet tall, providing stability and traction in all conditions. Even fully loaded, it could maintain speeds of 15 to 18 miles per hour, impressive for a truck of its size and era. Operators valued the truck's simplicity and reliability. Components were easily serviced in remote locations, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. The cab provided excellent visibility and ergonomics for operators, making it easier to handle such a massive vehicle safely. Only a few Bucyrus-Erie 50-ton haulers were ever built, but their impact on mining operations was substantial. They served mines across the United States and Canada for decades, many continuing to operate well past their expected lifespan. Today, preserved models can be found in industrial museums and private collections, where they stand as enduring symbols of mid-century mining innovation. The Bucyrus-Erie 50-ton hauler not only showcased the engineering capabilities of its time, but also set the stage for the development of ever larger mining trucks in the decades to come. Its legacy ensures it rightfully earns its spot as number 6 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Even today, enthusiasts marvel at how this mid-century giant managed to combine power, reliability, and efficiency so effectively. Number 5. Liebherr T282B. The Liebherr T282B is a colossal milestone in the world of heavy haulers, holding the title of the world's largest haul truck upon its introduction in 2004. Engineered by the German-Swiss machinery giant Liebherr, the Liebherr T282B was a response to the mining industry's constant drive for higher efficiency and lower operational costs in massive open-pit environments. Stretching 48 feet long, 30 feet wide, and nearly 24 feet high, this machine was conceived to haul an astonishing 363 metric tons of payload in a single trip. It quickly became the ultimate symbol of modern industrial engineering, surpassing the capacity of many older giants and proving that continuous innovation in ultra-class trucks was possible. Its imposing size and sleek modern design made it an instant icon among heavy machinery enthusiasts worldwide. The T282B's phenomenal power comes from a massive MTU or Cummins diesel engine, which can produce an output of up to 3,650 horsepower, among the highest of any haul truck. Like many ultra-class models, it operates on a sophisticated AC electric drive system supplied by Siemens or General Electric. The diesel engine powers a massive generator, which then drives electric motors in the rear axle. This drive system provides smooth, reliable power delivery and exceptional traction control, essential for climbing steep ramps with a full 400-ton load. To handle its immense weight, nearly 600 tons fully loaded, the T282B features specialized high-pressure suspension cylinders and some of the largest tires ever produced. Furthermore, the truck's design incorporates extensive safety features and advanced onboard diagnostics to maximize uptime and ensure safe operation in demanding mine environments. The Liebherr T282B redefined the ultra-class category and set a new bar for maximum payload and efficiency in mining operations. Its success proved the viability of the 400-ton truck segment, compelling other manufacturers to develop competing models. Although it has since been succeeded by the T284B, the T282B remains legendary for its role in pushing the boundaries of mechanical limits at the start of the 21st century. It is revered for its sophisticated German engineering, combining brute force with cutting-edge electrical technology. As a machine that truly changed the scale of material movement in mining, the T282B deserves its prominent spot on our definitive countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Number 4. WABCO 3200B. The WABCO 3200B is one of the most legendary heavy-duty dump trucks from the 1970s, combining American engineering strength with unparalleled durability. Built by the WABCO division of White Motor Company in the United States, it was designed to haul massive loads in open-pit mines and large quarries. Measuring approximately 40 feet long, 15 feet wide, and 15 feet tall, this truck could carry up to 240 tons of material at a time. Even today, its sheer size and robust design make it a standout among classic dump trucks. Miners at the time called it the beast that never stopped, reflecting its reputation for endurance under punishing working conditions. Its bold utilitarian design made it instantly recognizable, and it became a symbol of American heavy machinery innovation. Many of the trucks remained in operation for decades, a testament to their extraordinary build quality and resilience. Under the hood, the WABCO 3200B was powered by a Cummins V12 diesel engine, producing around 1,050 horsepower. The engine was paired with a mechanical drive system that sent power to the massive rear wheels, allowing the truck to maintain traction on steep grades and loose surfaces. Its tires stood nearly 11 feet tall, and the reinforced chassis and suspension allowed it to carry full loads over rough terrain without structural issues. With a top speed of approximately 22 to 25 miles per hour fully loaded, the WABCO 3200B was not just big, it was also reliable, smooth, and capable of long hours of continuous operation. Its fuel and hydraulic systems were engineered for efficiency, allowing it to run for extended shifts with minimal maintenance. Operators often praised its predictable handling, which made maneuvering such a massive truck surprisingly manageable. Only a handful of WABCO 3200B trucks were produced, making them rare today and highly sought after by collectors and mining historians. They worked primarily in North American mines where they earned a reputation for unmatched reliability and strength. Today, preserved models of the WABCO 3200B stand as a tribute to a time when engineers prioritized brute force and mechanical simplicity in heavy haulage. Its legacy influenced the design of future dump trucks, including some of the largest mechanical trucks that followed in the 1980s. The WABCO 3200B remains a classic icon of mining history and rightfully holds its place as number 4 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Enthusiasts and engineers alike continue to study it as a blueprint for durability and power in heavy machinery. Number 3. Lectra Haul M200. The Lectra Haul M200 is a true pioneer in the world of mining dump trucks, one of the first machines to combine sheer size with cutting-edge electric drive technology. Built in 1977 by the Unit Rig Company in the United States, the M200 was developed to handle extreme mining operations with unprecedented efficiency. Measuring roughly 38 feet long, 16 feet wide, and 16 feet tall, it was a massive machine for its era, weighing about 85 tons empty and capable of hauling 200 tons of material in a single trip. Its presence on a mining site was commanding, and miners quickly nicknamed it the Electric Giant due to its groundbreaking diesel-electric propulsion. At the time, this combination of power and reliability made it a revolutionary step forward in haul truck design, bridging the gap between classic mechanical trucks and the modern giants of the 1980s and beyond. At the heart of the M200 was a Detroit diesel 16V149 T2-stroke V16 engine, generating around 2,200 horsepower, which powered a diesel-electric system that transmitted energy to large traction motors mounted on the rear wheels. This innovative setup allowed for smoother torque delivery and better traction over uneven mining terrain compared to conventional mechanical drivetrains. The M200's tires were massive, nearly 12 feet tall, and its frame was reinforced to handle the stress of repetitive heavy hauling. With a top speed of about 28 miles per hour fully loaded, it was faster than many trucks of its time, making it an impressive combination of size, speed, and endurance. Its design also included advanced cooling systems and heavy-duty hydraulics, allowing continuous operation in harsh conditions with minimal downtime. Only a few Lectra Hall M200 trucks were ever produced, making them a rare and highly sought-after piece of mining history. They worked tirelessly in mines across the United States and Canada, demonstrating both longevity and reliability that inspired the design of larger, more modern electric drive haul trucks in the decades that followed. Today, surviving M200s are preserved in mining museums and private collections, admired for their bold engineering and historical importance. The Lectra Hall M200 remains a testament to human innovation, showing how engineers in the 1970s dared to imagine a truck that could handle massive loads with futuristic technology. It holds its well-earned position as number 3 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Number 2. Euclid R260. The Euclid R260 is one of the most iconic heavy-duty dump trucks from the golden era of mining. A machine that helped define how the world moves Earth on an industrial scale. Developed in the 1960s by the Euclid Corporation in Ohio, USA, it was built to handle extreme mining conditions with reliability and sheer power. Measuring approximately 35 feet long, 14 feet wide, and 14 feet tall, the R260 was not as massive as later giants like the Titan, but it represented a perfect balance of size, durability, and engineering innovation for its time. Weighing around 60 tons empty and capable of hauling 240 tons of material, it quickly became a favorite in coal, copper, and iron mines across North America and Europe. Miners often called it the workhorse that never quits, a testament to its legendary reliability in harsh conditions. Powering the Euclid R260 was a Detroit diesel V12 two-stroke diesel engine, producing approximately 1,050 horsepower, paired with a robust mechanical drive system designed for continuous heavy-duty operation. Its drivetrain transmitted torque directly to the massive rear wheels through a combination of heavy-duty axles and planetary gear hubs, giving it unmatched traction on steep grades and loose surfaces. With tires nearly 10 feet in diameter, the R260 could tackle rough terrain while carrying massive loads, and its suspension was engineered to absorb shocks from uneven mining roads. The truck could maintain speeds up to 25 miles per hour even when fully loaded, a remarkable achievement for mid-20th century haul trucks. Engineers also incorporated oversized fuel and hydraulic tanks, allowing it to operate for long hours without frequent refueling or maintenance stops. The Euclid R260 became a legend, not just for its size, but for its longevity and global impact. It served in mines for decades, often exceeding its expected operational lifespan, and was exported to countries like Canada, Germany, and Australia, helping standardize modern mining truck design. Today, many surviving models are preserved in museums or private collections, celebrated as symbols of industrial ingenuity and durability. Its influence can still be seen in modern haul trucks, which borrow key design concepts from this classic workhorse. The Euclid R260 remains a shining example of a time when engineers combined strength, reliability, and clever design, earning its place as number 2 on our countdown of the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. Number 1. Terex Titan 3319. The Terex Titan 3319 remains one of the most legendary dump trucks ever built, a true giant that dominated the mining world in the 1970s. Designed and built in 1974 by General Motors' Terex division, this one-off prototype was the largest and most powerful haul truck of its time. Stretching 66 feet long, 26 feet tall, and weighing over 235 tons empty, it looked more like a moving skyscraper than a dump truck. The Titan was developed to move massive loads in Canadian open-pit mines, setting new engineering standards that no other truck could match at the time. It quickly became a global engineering marvel, drawing attention from mining companies around the world who couldn't believe such a massive truck actually worked. Even the crews who operated it described it as a machine that felt more like a walking city than a traditional truck. Under its enormous hood sat a 16-cylinder Detroit diesel 16V149T engine, producing 3,300 horsepower, coupled with an electric drive system by General Electric. This hybrid-style setup was revolutionary for its time. The diesel engine powered generators that drove electric traction motors on the rear wheels, giving the Titan exceptional torque and smooth power delivery on steep mining roads. It could carry an astonishing 350 short tons of payload, making it the undisputed king of mining trucks during its era. The transmission setup and advanced cooling systems were designed to withstand the harsh, non-stop demands of massive Canadian coal and copper mines. Engineers also equipped it with gigantic 40.00 by 57 tires that alone stood taller than an average adult, allowing the Titan to handle rough terrain with ease. Its sheer size meant it required specially built haul roads and careful planning before every load. Nothing about this truck was ordinary. Even today, the Terex Titan's size and capability are jaw-dropping. After years of service at the Sparwood mine in British Columbia, it was retired and put on display as a monument to human engineering. Standing next to it, modern trucks like the Caterpillar 797F still look slightly humbled, proving just how ahead of its time the Titan truly was. Its legacy inspired generations of ultra-class haulers that followed, and it remains a reminder of an era when engineers dared to build the biggest machine the world had ever seen. Visitors from around the world still travel to Sparwood just to witness the Titan in person, a living symbol of mankind's bold ambition to push mechanical limits beyond imagination. Even decades later, it continues to inspire engineers, miners, and truck enthusiasts who dream of pushing the boundaries of industrial machinery. Those were the 10 biggest dump trucks ever made that you didn't even know existed. From the Terex Titan to the Euclid R260, these machines set the standard for power, size, and engineering brilliance. Which one amazed you the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping engineering wonders.